Today we're making homemade vanilla spice keto creamer that is packed with MCTs to provide you with extra fat in your diet and extra energy. So let's get started. So in a small saucepan, we're going to combine half of a cup of coconut cream, half of a cup of MCT oil, half of a cup of heavy cream. If you want to make this dairy-free, then just add more coconut cream instead of the heavy cream. 3/4 cups of the granulated sugar substitute of your choice. Today I'm using Lakanto sugar substitute blend. We're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and to make this spiced, we're going to add half of a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now these two ingredients I love in this vanilla spice keto creamer because they have some really great benefits for controlling blood sugar and inflammation in the body. So now we're going to go ahead and turn on our stove. And we're going to cook this over medium-low heat, and we're going to stir it. And the point of heating this is actually to help that sugar substitute dissolve. All right, once everything is melted and you have your sugar substitute dissolved, give this a quick taste test to see if it is sweet enough for you. So for me, that is absolutely perfect. If you do want to increase the level of sweetness, we love using this Lakanto monk fruit extract drops. You can add just a few either right into your coffee or into the creamer if you want to bump up the sweetness level. So this is how you make my homemade vanilla spice keto creamer. It's a great way to bump up your healthy fats in your keto diet.